No matter your platform, there's no shortage of ways to send a Microsoft Word document to anyone on the internet. Attaching a document to your email. Sign in to your Gmail or Yahoo Mail account. Most free mail sites and apps are similar. These instructions may also help you use providers other than Gmail and Yahoo. Click Compose. In both mobile apps, the Compose icon is a pencil. A new message window will appear. Click the paperclip icon. The file selection box will appear on most platforms. Tap Attach File or Insert from Drive. Choose Insert from Drive if the document is saved to your Google Drive. Choose Attach File if the document is saved to your phone or tablet. Navigate to the document you want to attach. Browse to the location of your Word document and double-click to attach it. Address the email to the recipient. Enter the desired recipient's email address into the To field, then add your subject and message content. Click or tap Send. When the recipient opens the email, they'll find the option to open or download the file to their computer or mobile device. Sharing a document from Google Drive. Open your Google Drive. If your Word document is located in your Google Drive, it's easy to share it with others. Navigate to the document you want to share. If you don't see it in the main folder, you may have to look in some of the subfolders. If you haven't yet uploaded the document from your computer, click New, File Upload, and then double-click the Word document. Click the 3 vertical dots icon and tap Share. And select Share. Type the email address of the person you want to receive your file. If this person is one of your Google contacts, you can just start typing their name and then select the correct person from the search results. Control whether the person can edit the copy in your Google Drive. By default, Drive gives the person permission to edit the document in your Google Drive. Change Can Edit to Can View if you want the person to be able to download their own copy but not edit yours. Select Done or Share to share the document. An email will be sent to the recipient containing information on how to access the document. They'll be able to view it online or download it to their computer. Attaching a document to a Facebook message. Log into Facebook. If you have a Word document on your computer that you want to send to someone else, you can do so using the web version of Facebook. For this method to work, both you and the person to whom you'd like to send the document need to have Facebook accounts. Open a chat window with the recipient. You will be attaching the document to a chat message. Click the mail icon at the top right area of Facebook and select New Message. Start typing the person's name into the To field and then click their name when it appears in the search results. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the chat window. Now you'll be able to navigate to the Word document on your computer. Select the document and click Open. Press Enter to send the document. The recipient will be able to download the document by double-clicking the icon that appeared in the chat window. Sharing in Word online. Open your document in Word. Click the Share button. This button is at the top right corner of the screen. Select Share. Here you can enter the email address of the person you're sharing with. To add multiple recipients, separate each email address with a comma. Select Editing Permissions for the document. By default, the recipient of the document will have the ability to make changes to your document. This is noted by the Recipients Can Edit drop-down on the invite screen. If you want to share ongoing access to this document and want everyone on the invite list to be able to make edits, leave this option alone. Type a note into the Note field. Think of this field as the body of an email. Type something here that will alert the recipient to what the email and document are about. Click Share. An email will be sent to the recipient that contains a link to the document. With that link, the recipient can make changes to the document on Word Online, if you gave them permission to do so, or download the file to their computer. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.